Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 82, and this exercise is created by single sketch. So we will draw this top view sketch, right, and create this exercise by apply the features, different features, right. So let's start to draw the sketch. So first we will draw this bigger circle which has a diameter of 100 mm. So let's draw it on SolidWorks, and step by step we will finish this sketch. So let's first draw this 100 mm diameter of circle. So here's first select top plane and go to sketch. Now select the circle and draw one circle, and as we have seen, diameter of this circle is 100 mm. So apply it. Now we'll check out the dimension what we will draw next we will draw this smaller circle which has diameter of 44 mm, and inside it there is 7 circle which has diameter of 8 mm, and this 8 mm there is 7 circles are on the piece circle which has diameter of 30 mm, and this smaller circle and this bigger circle which has 100 mm diameter that we have drawn, and this two centers, so we can say that there is these two circles as these two centers, and these two centers are 20 mm apart to each other. So let's draw this smaller circle. So now select the circle and draw one circle here. Diameter of this circle is 44 mm, and select this point and select this point and make horizontal, and now select smart dimension. This distance is 20 mm. Now select one more circle and draw. Diameter of this circle is 30, and select this circle and make construction geometry, and now select again circle and draw one circle here, and diameter of this circle is 8 mm. Now select here circular sketch pattern, select this circle and clear the selection and select this point, and now total number of circles are 7, so apply 7 and apply OK. Now select this point and make coincident. Now we'll draw other things. Let's check the dimension of them. Next we will draw this portion. So this outer arc and this circle uh, are apart from each other by 10 mm, and this two geometry are apart from each other by 10 mm, and this smaller arc is diameter of 25 mm. So let's create on SolidWorks, and remember this fillet as R5 means there is 5 mm of fillet. So let's create it. So first select center line and draw one center line like that. Now select this arc and draw like arc like that. No, sorry, draw the circle. So it is good to go. So draw a circle, make things simple. So distance between these two is 10. Now select the line, sorry not, again select the circle and draw one more circle, and diameter of this circle is 50. I think we need to check it again. Yeah, it is 50, it is 50 mm diameter, but its center is from here, so we need to change the center of it. So just delete it. Yes, and now again select circle and draw circle like that. Delete this one, select smart dimension, and it is 50. Now select line and go line like that, make it horizontal, select smart dimension. This distance is 5 mm. Now select trim entities and trim these things. Now select fillet, select this one, and this one, and is 5 mm. Apply OK. Now select mirror entities and select the respective things and mirror about it. Apply OK. So now we have this. Let's check further dimensions. Next we will draw these two circles. The outer diameter is 60 mm and inner diameter is 30. Inner circle has diameter of 30 mm, and the distance between this center to this center is 110. And also remember this fillet is R5. So let's draw it. So that is 60, 30 and R5, and there is 110. So let's draw it. And remember this 10 mm things. Okay, so let's draw it. So here select circle and draw two circles. Diameter outer is 60 and inner is 30, and this distance is 110. Now select this center and select this center, and with shift select this center and this center and make horizontal. Now select the line command and draw lines like that. Select this line and this circle and make tangent. Select this line and this circle and make tangent. Now select mirror entities, select this one, and in mirror above select this one. Apply OK. Now here select offset entity and select this one, and it's also 10 mm. Sorry, not this one, so delete this one. Okay, select this one and make tangent. We will draw this line at the last. Select this one and make tangent. So let's check further dimensions. Next we will draw these two circles. The outer is 60 mm diameter and inner has 21 mm diameter, and the angle is 51 degree from horizontal, and this distance is 127, the center to center distance. And let's do it. So now select first circle and draw two circle. The outer has 60 mm dia and inner one has 21. Select line and draw center line from this center to this center, and select smart dimension. Select this line, and that is 51. Now select smart dimension, and it is 127. Select line and draw lines like that. Now again select line and draw lines like that. Now select this line and this circle and make tangent. Select this line and this circle, sorry, select this line and this circle and make tangent. Select this line and this circle and make tangent. Now our graph is fully defined, but we need to apply the offset, which we just like that, we just apply like that. So just we will apply offset this after that. Okay, so just select trim and trim out the excessive lines. Again select offset and select this one and select this one and reverse it and apply OK. Select this point and we will select this circle and make tangent. Select this one, and not tangent, but select this point and this curve and make coincident. Now select trim entities, trim this one and this one, delete this one. Again select offset entities and select this one and apply OK. Now select trim entities, trim out it and trim this one. Now select 3-point arc and draw arc like that. Again select 3-point arc and draw again arc like that. Select this arc and this circle and make tangent. Select this arc and this line and this arc and make tangent. Select this arc and this tangent, this line and tangent. Select this arc and this circle and make tangent. Now select smart dimension, it is 5 mm arc. Select this arc and select this arc and make equal. Now here select mirror entities, select this arc and select this arc and mirror about this line, apply OK. Now select again this 3-point arc and arc draw arc like that. Again select 3-point arc and draw arc like that. Select this arc and this line and make tangent. Select this arc and this circle and make tangent. Select this arc and this line and make tangent. Select this arc and this circle and make tangent. And select this both arc and this one and apply equal. Now select trim entities, first select the mirror entities, select this arc and select mirror about and select this one and apply OK. Now select trim entities and trim this one, okay, so delete this dimension, select trim and trim this 4 and delete this dimension and exit. So our sketch is completed. Now we apply one by one features to create the final thing. So first create this section which is 40 mm width, so let's create it. Here select features and go to extruded boss and select the sketch, and here select the contour, this is the contour. Here select mid plane and it is 40 mm, apply OK. Now draw this section which is here. So it's this thinner section has 10 mm width and the this bigger thickness is 40 minus 10 minus 10, so 2 times we need to subtract 2 times 10 from 40, so it is 20. So let's create this. So again select extruded boss and here select sketch, select this one and this one and it is 20, so select this one also, apply OK. Now again select the boss and select the same sketch, select this one and this one and it is 10, remember it is mid plane. Next this one which is 22 mm thickness, so let's create it. So select extruded boss again and select the same sketch and select this one and it is 22 mm. Next we will do this middle things. So remember this 4 mm depth, it is, as we have seen, there is it inside this upper surface, so it is 4 mm on both sides and rest of things is not needed to know. Remember this 40 mm thickness, nothing else. Now select again extruded boss and select the sketch, select this one and it is 40, apply OK. Now again select extruded boss and select the sketch and select this one, it is 40 minus 8, with 32. So now our exercise is completed, so we just apply the appearance to it. So here select this one and go to select this body and select this one and apply OK. And this is our isometric view. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.